Hey everyone. In this quick Canva guide, I'm going to show you how to place an image inside of a shape. Yeah, the easy way. If you've ever tried lining things up manually and it just looks off, this trick saves so much time. So let's jump in. First, go ahead and open the design where you want to add the image. You can use any template or start with a blank page. Totally up to you. Now on the left side, click on Elements. Scroll down a little until you see the Basic Shapes section. Choose the shape you want. Maybe a circle, a square, or something fun like a star. Drop it onto the page and resize it however you like. So, quick note here, some shapes are frames already and some aren't. If the shape has this little cloud with mountain icon inside it, it's a frame. If not, no worries. Just search for the word frame in the Elements panel and pick the shape style you want. Frames are what actually let images snap inside. All right, now drag your image from the Uploads tab or from Photos and drop it right onto the frame. Canva will automatically clip it to that shape. It's super clean. If you want to adjust the crop, just double-click the image. You can reposition it, zoom in, or zoom out. Take a moment to line it up exactly how you want. I mean, this part's kind of fun. And if you want to go a bit further, Canva lets you add borders, shadows, or even color overlays to the frame. Just select the frame and explore the toolbar up top. Yeah, super customizable. And that's pretty much it. You now know how to place an image inside of a shape in Canva and make it look clean every single time. If this helped, feel free to check out more of my Canva guides. Thanks for watching.